Alright, I'm here to talk about my GoPro Hero 10 experience today with a media mod and a suction cup on my windshield. So this was mounted on my windshield like this. It's upside down. I think that is helpful because the heat could go up through those holes. That for one. And then also I have here the external power. So I was running a USB wire in here like this, like that, and then the other end was plugged into my radio in the car. So I was able to charge when the camera was not on, but I didn't have to do. And I was able to have power here while the camera was running. Now, let me get it out of here to see what settings we have and what the result is. I did never ever have an overheating issue at all. Let's get this beast out of the thing here. Okay, there we go. I did run this with this battery, the Enduro, and then I also have this here. Can I zoom into this? Yeah, I don't know how close I can get. Here, Samsung 128 Pro. That's the card I do use. It's my second Enduro battery. I bought two at the time, just to have a backup. But I didn't need the battery. Okay, so this is my GoPro here today. And let's turn it on. We're going to look at the settings I used. So I had the media mod on there. The settings I used was, as you can see, the boost was off. Horizon leveling was off, stabilization off, connections were off. I want to put the camera here on my little tripod so that you can see this better. I apologize for this. Then it's not shaking around when I click on stuff, okay? That's why we have a little tripod here. See that? And then we zoom in more. Look at that little focus, right? And then you can see good. Okay, so connections of preferences. We can look into where it says regional here, right? Regional. In there we can turn the GPS on and off. I have it off because in my car the windows have a special coating, a silver coating for UV and sunlight stuff, and so GPS does not go through that. I do not have GPS reception inside my car. This is not going to work. Okay, so that's why I don't have GPS in the car. Now, that is the settings, 5.3K 30, okay. Let's look at the other details of it. I mean, can I not touch this? Oh, I can. See, look at this. Here, the cinematic 30, right? So, that's the one I want to look at. Hyper smooth was off. You see the settings here. All this was off. You go to Pro Tunes. It was a standard Pro Tunes, everything on auto. It's basically the standard settings of it. Here the sharpness, medium, and then this is irrelevant here, that stuff, okay? So that was my settings, and then let's see what videos I took. Let's go here. So I took 3 videos on here. The first one I did 1 hour and 40 minutes without overheating, without any interrupt. The second one was 43 minutes without any problems. And then the last one was 18 minutes. And so I chose to end the videos after that time. It would have done longer. It would have done longer than 1 hour and 40 minutes. It did not overheat. I started with 82% battery. And so now we are at 74%. So it lost some battery, like 6%. It lost 6% while I was driving, while the charger was attached to the media mod, I'm sorry. So there was some degradation. That was one here, up there. Can I click on info? Yeah, pause. Info. Here we see the settings again. Basically the settings that I explained. So there is not different. And the other video, this one here was the longest. Info. The same frame rate, hyper smooth off, right? Bitrate standard auto. So all natural medium stuff. And as I said, no issue whatsoever. It's me driving there. Look at that. Yes, so it was an overall good experience. And one thing I forgot here was the version number. The version is 1.30, right? The firmware version. So yeah, I could not complain today about the performance of this camera with the media mod together, right? With this media mod thing running on it. And yeah, so let me know what you guys, if you have the same issues or no issues, or how that goes in your case. All right? Thanks for watching.